Namaste, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, members of the press. Thank you for coming. Sawal? Zarur. आपसे शुरू करते हैं.
On the least.
Actually, let's start with the lady.
Yeah. Go Shilpu.
So I did 3 collections today. The first collection was the denim collection, which is called Disco Denimals because it's inspired from music and denim and 80s era. So that's why the metallic and the denim is all about, you wear denim every day, but if you pull the cords, you can change the shape of the garment every time you wear it. So it's a new garment every time. The second bit was shirts, which were actually Katori Cholis drafts on a men's suit, like a men's shirt draft. So it was men's shirt meets Katori Cholis. And then the last bit was the 5 dramatic, fantastical pieces. Yeah,
मैं अपने कलेक्शन के बारे में कुछ बताऊं? जी मुझे बड़ी खुशी होती है, as you know, always to walk the ramp. I love live interaction. I love that energy. और outdoor बहुत कम करते हैं, which for the record is a really bad idea for hair and makeup and the humidity. But what was special tonight is यहाँ पे आने से पहले 3 दिन I was on a liquid diet. Because ये outfit पहनने के लिए you have to have bodies like the 30 models you saw tonight. I mean, they were spectacular. And you have to have Shivan and Naresh design a bespoke piece for you. I mean, they're just so fantastic. Every piece that you saw tonight on the ramp, including the showstopper, I think complemented the type of body, the kind of woman that they wanted to portray on the ramp. और ऐसा बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हमारे देश में जहाँ पर औरतों को अपने बॉडी कॉन्फिडेंस के बारे में इतने सालों तक एक लड़ाई लड़नी पड़ी, जहाँ पर they kept thinking ये ठीक नहीं है, ऐसा पहनना नहीं चाहिए, लोग क्या सोचेंगे. I think it's beautiful when you come out and celebrate who you are and you come out, you come out and celebrate who you are and the body that you have. ऊपर वाले ने बहुत सोच समझ के दिया है हमें और हम उसका ख्याल रखते हैं and we show it to you with great respect. I think it's very elegant what I'm wearing. You can say yes, it's okay. है ना? It is actually a swimsuit और ये अगर यहाँ से उतर जाए तो अंदर पूरा swimsuit ही है, तो हमने बिल्कुल cheating नहीं की है. But we've kept the Indianness of Shivan and Naresh in this particular outfit, which I love. The fact that we love the sari and the uniqueness of imagining कि आप एक साड़ी का drape एक swimming costume पे इस कदर बिठा सकते हैं कि एक औरत की खूबसूरती को ढका भी जाए और दिखाया भी जाए. So I think that is spectacularly done, and the fact that it is red makes me very happy because it is my favorite color other than black. So thank you very much for having me as your showstopper, and also to Blenders. Blenders Pride Fashion Tour year after year 9 साल से ये शो कर रहे हैं. इस साल पहली दफ़ा उन्होंने ये शो 5 cities तक travel किया है लेकर. They have involved so many various inputs into it this year: music, technology, design. The beautiful performances today that you saw, even through the tour, जहाँ पर live music, Ashan Ashwin, Anushka. I mean, these are all people that are so multifaceted. उन सब के साथ स्टेज पे आना, इतनी खूबसूरत मॉडल्स के साथ काम करना जो अपने काम पर बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान देती हैं. I came today for the rehearsals and saw them at work. Spectacular. The choreographer, the entire team. I think a lot goes into a show, and when you come here, ladies and gentlemen, members of the media, you make it very, very special. आपके बगैर हमारा कोई भी शो अच्छा नहीं जाता है. So thank you for being here. Yes, Jan. जी. Yes, sir.
Hi, ma'am, sirs. You explained everything about the outfit right now. It was very explicit and great. But what would Shivan and Naresh call this outfit?
Well, It's a bikini sari.
It was exclusive for you.
Yeah, but this one's a corset.
Thank you.
कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि स्टेज पे हल्का बहुत भी रैंप पे जब आप चल रहे हैं तो नर्वसनेस दिखाई लगा हो आपको, क्योंकि आपके चेहरे पे तो वैसे भी दिखता है नहीं कभी भी, बट लगा हो?
जी बिल्कुल। आपको याद है मेरे ड्रेस में हील अटक गई थी एक बार? नर्वसनेस का कैपिटल N हो गया था उस वक्त। लेकिन हमारे काम में, किसी भी काम में, आई थिंक कॉन्फिडेंस सबसे खूबसूरत चीज़ होती है। और वो तभी हटती है जब आप ये मान लें कि कुछ गलत हो गया। दुनिया आपकी तरफ देख रही है और आप अपना हौसला बनाए रखते हैं और आप ये कहते हैं गलती किससे नहीं होती, लेकिन गलती होने के बाद उसे किस तरह से सुधारा जाए, शो स्टॉपर उसको बोलते हैं। सो आई थिंक यू मैनेज इट। नर्वसनेस होती ज़रूर है, ज़रूर होती है।
सुष्मिता कितनी स्टाइलिश हैं पर्सनली आप?
जी
कितनी स्टाइलिश हैं आप पर्सनली?
पर्सनली मुझे लगता है मैं बहुत स्टाइलिश हूँ, बट फैशन मैगजीन्स को हमेशा ऐसा नहीं लगता, ऐसा पढ़ा है मैंने। बट आई थिंक फैशन एंड स्टाइल इज़ वेरी पर्सनल। कुछ लोग ये सोचते हैं कि अगर आप दुनिया के सबसे जाने माने ब्रांड्स को ख़रीदें तो आप स्टाइलिश हैं या आप फैशन समझते हैं। मैं ये मानती हूँ कि अगर आप में फैशन और स्टाइल है तो आप लिंकिंग रोड से, जनपद से दिल्ली में सबसे कमाल चीज़ उठा सकते हैं, बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली फैशन एंड स्टाइल इज़ अबाउट यू, इट इज़ंट अबाउट हु यू वेयर। So if you have good taste, you'll find it anywhere. But yeah, if you want a nice cut, design, style, you want to look good, sometimes the brands give you that far better. So it's a mix. I think it's a mix.
Shushmita, it's been 20 years. You celebrating Miss Universe.
That's
How has
right.
your experience been in the industry?
I think it's been wonderful, darling. It's been a big blessing. Every time I look back at my life and I think, जब मैं 18 साल की थी and when I won Miss Universe, I was a girl who was from a very small place in Delhi with very small dreams. And उस वक्त अगर मुझसे किसी ने कहा होता कि 20 साल के बाद मैं इस मंच पर आप सबके सामने इतनी सारी चीज़ें करके खड़ी होंगी, मैं नहीं मानती. So I think my life is a blessing and I live it every day. Like that 18-year-old girl who said, you can't get the moon. And then she got it. So, yeah, it's been a blessing. It's been a wonderful journey. I'm blessed.
So, Shushmita, how have you tasted life in style?
Pretty much like Blender says it. Style is such an intricate part of your life that it shouldn't just be about your clothes. If you're stylish, it'll transcend itself into all aspects, including the men you're interested in, the women you're interested in. There's always going to be a style in everything you do, but mostly living your life stylishly is important.
There are recent reports that Prime Minister Modi has said that Bollywood portrays policemen in a very bad light. You, in one of your roles, have also played the role of a police officer. So what do you have to say about this?
Mr. Modi would like the one I portrayed.
Anything else about what he had to claim?
Well, this is not the platform, darling, to be discussing that, but I think everybody's entitled to an opinion. I do agree that not all films depict all aspects of professional endeavors in our country in the right manner, but you can't generalize that in any aspect. And yes, we try to depict what is real. Sometimes we overdo it, we exaggerate too much, but that doesn't mean that all of it is a lie.
Shushmita, we miss you in Bollywood. So do we see you in Bollywood very soon now?
I miss you too, Mary Jan. I go to watch films and I sit there like this. Oh, I wish I'd done that scene. Oh, I wish I'd done that film. But sweetheart, I think there is a time for everything. And until I am absolutely sure of how, when, and with which script, I just don't want to keep being a part of a factory that churns out films every day. Because to me, that's 6 months of my life. And those are very important to me. So Nirbak, wait for it. Nirbak, my Bengali film is releasing. It's coming through all the film festivals and releasing in March. So hopefully we make a small comeback and it'll make you happy. Thank you for missing me, by the way. Thank you. Thank you.